Welcome to IT Vision Enterprises Solution to Past Question in BECE Mathematics, Section A Objectives, Year 2007, Questions 1 to 20. I am Lawrence Danso-Amoako, alias Kapiri Imposi. I am going to be your facilitator. April 2007, Mathematics 1, Objective Test, Duration 1 hour. Question 1. List the members of the set P equals factors of 30 which are odd. We shall first list the factors of 30. 1 times 30 equals 30. 2 times 15 equals 30. 3 times 10 equals 30. 5 times 6 equals 30. So factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5. That's 1, 2, 3, 5. 6, 10, 15, 30. 6, 10, 15, and then 30. So the set P, which is factors of 30 which are odd, will be 1, 3, 5, 15. 1, 3, 5, 15. And this is equivalent to the set in C. So the answer is C. Question 2. Set M equals JOQS and set W equals HPRT. Find M union W. A quick way of writing M union W is to write all the elements in M and combine them with elements in W, writing each element only once. So JOQS, JOQ, and then S, then HPRT, HP, and then R and T. Now let's arrange them in alphabetical order. We shall get J, H, O, P, Q, R, S, and T, which equals to D. Question 3. Name the geometrical figure shown in the diagram below. The answer is B, cone. Question 4. Express 5/16 as a decimal fraction. We shall use the long division method. That is 16 into 5. 3 times 16, 48. From 50 we shall get 2. 0, 1. 1 times 16. Then the difference is 4. 0, 2. 2 times 16, 32. The difference is 8. 0. And then 5. That is 80. So the answer is B. Question 5. If y equals minus half s plus 6, find y when s is 4. That is y equals minus half s plus 6. And then s equals to 4. We shall substitute s equals to 4 into the equation. So half times 4 plus 6. 2 goes here, 1, 2 goes here, 2. So minus 2 plus 6, which equals to 4. So the answer is C. The marks obtained by 13 candidates in a test are 5, 7, 2, 9, 11, 10, 2, 12, 2, 9, 3, 18, and 2. Use this information to answer questions 6 and 7. Question 6. What is the mode? The mode is the mark with the highest frequency, and it's 2. It occurs 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So the answer is A. Question 7. Find the median. To find the median, we shall arrange the mass in ascending order. That is 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 18. There are in all 13 mass. The central position is 7. There are 6 mass to the left and 6 mass to the right. So the median is 7, which is B. The pie chart above shows the distribution of 360 pupils to various houses in a school. Use this information to answer question 8 and 9. Question 8. Find the value of the angle marked S degrees. The angle S equals 360 minus 100 plus 150 plus 70. This is because the sum of the angles in the pie chart add up to 360 degrees. So this is 360 and this add up to 320. So the answer is 40, which is B. Question 9. How many more students are in yellow house than in blue house? We shall go back to the pie chart. Now, the angle of the yellow house is 100 degrees and that of the blue house 70 degrees. The difference is 30 degrees. Now, the sum of the angles in the pie chart would add up to 360 degrees, and this corresponds with 360 pupils. So 1 degree will correspond with 1 pupil. So 30 degrees over here will correspond with 30 pupils. So the answer is 30. That is A. Question 10. Express 242 as a product of prime factors. That is 2, 4, 2. 2 goes here, 1, 2, 1. 11 goes here, 11. 11 goes here, 1. So the product of the prime factors of 2, 4, 2 equals 2 times 11 times 11, which equals to 2 times 11 squared. So the answer is B. Question 11. Change 110011 to the base 2 to a number in base 10. That is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Since it's base 2, we shall multiply by 2 raised to the power 0, 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 3, 2 raised to the power 4, 2 raised to the power 5, and then add them. This is the same as 2 raised to the power 5 plus 2 raised to the power 4. These are zeros plus 2 plus 1. 2 raised to the power 0 equals to 1. 2 raised to the power 5 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which equals to 32. 2 raised to the power 4 is 16, plus 2 plus 1, which is 48 plus 2 plus 1, which equals to 51. So the answer is A. Question 12. A boy throws a die once. What is the probability of getting the number 4? A die has 6 surfaces, numbered 1 to 6. So the probability of getting the number 4 is 1 over 6. That is A. Question 13. Arrange the following fractions from the highest to the lowest. 5 over 6, 4 over 5, and 4 over 7. We shall convert the fractions into decimals. We shall use the long division method. 5 over 6, 6 into 5, 8, 48, 2, 0, 3, 18, 2, 0, 3. So the answer is 0.833. Now 4 over 5, that is 5 into 4, 8, that's 0.8. Now 7 into 4, 5, 35, 5, 0, 7, 49, 1, 0, 1. So 4 over 7 equals to 0.571. We are to arrange from the highest to the lowest. The highest is 1, followed by 2, followed by 3. So the order is 5 over 6, followed by 4 over 5, followed by 4 over 7, and that is C. Question 14. Solve the inequality 3s plus 6 is less than or equal to 5s minus 2. That is 3s plus 6 is less than or equal to 5s minus 2. We shall group like items. So 3s is over here. We shall move 5s to the other side of the inequality. The sign will reverse to minus 5s. Less than or equal to minus 2 is already over here. We shall move 6 to the other side of the inequality. The sign will reverse to minus 6. So minus 2s is less than or equal to minus 8. We shall divide through the inequality by minus 2. The sign will reverse. This is because when an inequality is divided or multiplied through by a negative number, the sign reverses. Minus 2 will cancel minus 2. Minus 2 goes here, 4. So S is greater than or equal to 4. So the answer is D. Question 15. If 8s minus 3 times into brackets 2s minus 4 equals to 4, find the value of s. That is 8s minus 3 into brackets 2s minus 4 equals to 4. 8s we shall multiply through, we shall get 6s plus 12 to equal to 4. 2s over here plus 12 to equal to 4. 2s over here, we shall send 12 to the other side of the equation and the sign will reverse to 4 minus 12, which equals to 8 minus 8, and then 2s. So s equals to minus 8 divided by 2, which equals to minus 4. So the answer is B. Use the diagram below to answer questions 16 and 17. Question 16. Find the size of the angle y. The angle y equals 105 degrees. This is because y and the angle 105 are corresponding angles. So the answer is D. Question 17. Angles NTZ and QZT are. This is the angle NTZ and it's equal to the angle QZF because they are corresponding angles. Therefore, angle NTZ and QZT will add up to 180 degrees, and therefore they are supplementary angles. So the answer is D. Question 18. Factorize 1/4 PS squared plus 1/8 PS. That is 1/4 PS squared plus 1/8 PS. Let the common factor be 1/4 PS. Then S over here. Then half over here. Take note that 1/4 times half equals to 1/8. So the answer is B. Question 19. Jojo and Fifi shared an amount of money in the ratio 3:4 respectively. If Fifi had 140,000, how much was shared? Jojo and Fifi shared the money in the ratio 3:4. The total ratio is going to be 7. That's 3 plus 4. Fifi's ratio corresponds with 4. And then 4 corresponds with 140,000. So the total amount of money shared, which corresponds with 7, equals to, if more, less, divides. So 7 divided by 4 times 140,000. 2 goes here, 2 goes here, 70,000. 2 goes here, 1. 2 goes here, 35,000. So 35 times 7. That's 35, 21, 24. So the answer equals 245,000, which equals to C. Question 20. Simplify 6 times into brackets 7a plus 4 minus 3 times into brackets 8a plus 9. That is 6 times 7a plus 4 minus 3 times 8a plus 9 equals to 6 times 7a will give us 42a. 6 times 4 will give us 24 plus 3 times 8a is going to be equal to 24a, and 3 times 7, 27, so minus 27. So we shall group like items. 42a minus 24a plus 24 minus 27. So 18a over here and then minus 3 over here. So the answer is A.